All right, so today I'm going to explain our what we call our thick orange trade that you guys can start taking and winning on the market. And so this is one of our strategies that we like to show you. And this is one of the strategies we actually go over in the Trader Light LIT webinar with you. And so let me go through and explain it for you how that works. One of the things you're going to need, just like dirty pressure, is you're going to need the open up file. Open chart book, go to mastermind, make sure you're on the mastermind chart. You're going to click open. Okay, so file, open chart book, mastermind. That's how you're going to get to this file. It's going to load up all of these pairs. You're going to have euro US, pound yen, pound USD, CHF, USD JPY, and Aussie CAD. Okay, so these are the pairs you're going to trade using the thick orange trade. Now the thick orange is the thick orange TNT indicator that we're using here. So you can see it running down on each of these charts. So the thick orange line, not the thin, thick orange line, okay? And then you see this number that's sitting off to the left on your chart. This coincides with the thick orange indicator. So when the thick orange gets to either a negative 100 or a 0, we're going to take a trade. And so let's kind of identify and find that. So let me back this up one. Okay, you see how the market hit negative 100 on this trade here, or on this thick orange line. Thick orange is pointed down. The parameters are met. We're looking at a negative 100. One of the things, or key things, that you're going to need to know with the thick orange strategy is that you need to make sure that you are trading this at the top of the hour. Okay, so meaning that if it were hypothetically 3:55 right now at the top of the hour, we're going to wait 5 minutes for a new candle to post. And when that candle posts and we get a break in the thick orange line to the basically to the north here, if it were to go up, then we're going to take a trade to the buy position. It's going to be a 3 pip take profit and a 15 pip stop loss. Let's look and see what happens with this. So we're sitting here, it's 3:55, we waited 5 minutes, we got a new candle to form. Did we get the thick orange to break? Yes, we did. It broke up. We would have cleared our 3 pips because it went up initially and then just kind of came back down a little bit. So it only came down like 2 pips. We would have cleared our take profit for us. That is a negative 100 trade. So when the market or when the thick orange reaches negative 100, we're looking to buy, and we need the parameters set to take a trade when it hits up, just like that. Let's look at another one. Let's look at a negative zero, not negative zero. Let's look at a 000 trade. So thick orange is at 000. Thick orange is pointed up. Now, if it was at the top of the hour, so if we were sitting here and it was 3:55, we need to wait 5 minutes to make sure that 0 stays confirmed the whole time. We don't want it to go down to -1 because then we're not taking a trade kind of like over here. I'm not interested in that. I'm only interested when it hits 000. When it hits that, then at the top of the hour, if it stayed at 0, then if it breaks down just like that, we're going to take our trade to the 3 pip take profit. Okay, so let's do that again. Let me go through that one more time. Let's find a couple more here. Let's go back. Here is a 0 trade again, and there's another one here. What you would do is wait, take your trade, and we took a little bit of heat, but let's see what happens. There is that we would have entered the trade, but we wouldn't have take profit on that first hour, but we would have done it on this second hour. Let's look at a trade on a negative, let's see, negative 100. See if we can identify and find one of these. Here we go. Here's a negative 100. Let's see here if we can find one that I want to make sure it actually breaks up for us here. So that way you guys can see. There we go. So negative 100 over here on the Aussie CAD. Thick orange is pointed down. Top of the hour, take your trade. It breaks up. There's your 3 pip take profit. Hopefully this was helpful for you. Watch it a couple of times, and that way you guys can get the basics down as far as identifying the signals and then going in and placing your trade on the broker's platform, so you can actually start executing and placing trades there. Thank you for your time, and we'll talk soon.